Hello everybody, this is the Planet Earth here. I wanted to show you how to change your static IP address permanently to get off bans. Bans, B-A-N-S. Alright guys, now follow my directions closely. You must have a router. If you don't have a router, this is what a router looks like. For you people who still don't know what a router looks like. Something like this. Anything like this, okay? A Linksys router. Alright, so here, and welcome to my new channel. And if you guys know who I am, thank you for watching. So yeah, this is how you're going to change your static IP address. Alright, so here's what we do. If you own a Linksys, or a Cisco, or a D-Link, I think it's D-Link, then this is what you're going to do. Alright, so you got a cable modem, DSL modem from your provider, and it's static. If you have a wireless cable modem, like Clearwire, any 4G or 3G provider, you may not be able to change your IP address. Sorry. That is on their side and only on their side. But if you have a router, you change it all you want. It won't change the IP address. It's permanent. But if you have like a cable modem or DSL modem or fiber optics, you can change your IP address. My current IP is 68.206.254.219. So we do a speed test, and I get about 48 to 49 megs down. So we get the speed here of 51 megs down. So that's the current IP address, 68.206.254.219. So what is my IP? Okay, so my IP is 68.206.254.219. Okay, now here's what you're going to do. Listen carefully, this is what you do. You go into the settings, and I'm going to change my wireless networks after this, because I don't want you guys looking around the city to find where I'm at. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see how I'm going to change the names to sir. Alright, so here's what you do. You go immediately. Let me try to go to advanced so you don't see my freaking setup here. For a... Okay, that's fine. Okay, now, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to your Netgear router or whatever. Netgear, Linksys, Cisco. Look for internet setup or something similar. Look for MAC address cloning or router MAC address. If you have a router that's up to date, you should be able to change it. Like, this is my default. I don't want to show it to you, but use computer MAC address or use this MAC address. So, like 004242424242 gives me an IP address of 68.206.254.219. If you have a router, you can change a good Netgear router, Linksys. Look for MAC address cloning or any other type of MAC. Or like if it says use computer MAC address or use this MAC address, you should be able to change it. So now what I'm going to do, remember, 68.206.254.219. I'll refresh the page. 68.206.254.219. Okay, so now we're going to change the actual MAC address to 3131313181. It might say invalid. Nope, it applied. So now you're going to wait 10 seconds for any router. Wait 10 seconds. And then you're going to physically turn your modem off by unplugging it. Your actual cable modem, not the router. Your cable modem. So let me go on. Plug the cable modem. For 10 seconds. Alright, now let that router boot, or the modem boot back up. If you have a dynamic IP address, then you just reset your modem. Alrighty, now we just wait. Remember, 68.206.254.219, the modem's booting up. And the blue lights are on. Now we're just waiting for it to connect to the server to say if it's authorized or not. It is connected to the network, but it still's got to authorize with the servers downtown. Alright, so we're still waiting here. 68.206.255.4.219. You may be able to do this without a router, and I'll show you how to do it. But you need to follow my directions carefully, or you will not change your IP address. This is the planet Earth here, and the new IP address is 68.206.255.93. It's a very similar IP address, but it was changed. Yeah, see, look, it's changed. See, 68.206.255.93. The other one was 68.206.254.219. So now we got a new IP address, brand spanking new. Nobody else seems to have used it. So we're gonna go back to speedtest.net, and I'm gonna change it again because of the videos. But yeah, okay, 68.255.93. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it without a cable modem. I mean, without a router. You don't have to have a physical router. Okay, now should get about 48 to 50 down. Okay, so right now I'll get into pure 50. New IP, brand spanking new. Now what we're going to do is we are going to go to THEPLANETEARTH MAC address changer. I don't spell that right. So here's what you're going to do. I think it works. Let me see if it's going to work with... yep, it'll work with Windows 8. Oh no, it says they haven't updated it for Windows 8 yet. It may not work with Windows 8. They haven't updated it. Oh no, it works with Windows 8. Okay, cool. Cool. I love this guy. Whoever created this software is really smart. Okay, download link. We're going to go ahead and download THEPLANETEARTH MAC address changer. Alright guys, this is what you're going to do. You're going to plug in directly to your modem, okay? You're going to extract the file. You're going to install the software. I don't really need it because I have a router. But if you're directly connected to the modem with like one computer, this is how you do it. If you have a Time Warner Cable, Comcast, Verizon Fios, etc. If you have a gateway, if you're enabled the gateway, you can also change the MAC address of the gateway by 1 and see if that doesn't, see if that works. So we're going to run as administrator. It may or may not work, but it looks like, yeah, it'll work. Alright. Okay, so you're going to, okay, say you're connected to the Ethernet. You're going to go for local area connection, up and non-operational. Okay? Or the Ethernet right here. This would be the technically one you're connected to if you're connected to the Ethernet. See, I'm connected through wireless. So, my wireless address is that one, whatever that is. So, this, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to look for up and operational. Up, link status, up and operational. You usually are connected through Ethernet, through the modem itself, directly connected, if you're just by there. If you're banned from a website, click random MAC address. Just keep clicking random MACs. Just keep doing it. Click change now. Oops, I think I broke my internet connection. So I just changed my wireless MAC address. Even though you can do that through your Ethernet too. You can do that if you want. So you can check it, change it again. It'll change the MAC address. Okay, 200. It should change to 200. Yep, it changed the active MAC address. Look, it actually changed the physical MAC address of my wireless network. Okay, so now that you've seen that, you're going to look for Ethernet or local area connection 1, not 2. It'll say up and operational. Just click a random MAC address, change it. Immediately, as soon as you change the MAC address, reset the modem for 20 seconds and then plug it back in. You'll get a new IP address if it's static. And usually a cable company or DSL company will automatically change your IP address. Okay, another way to change your IP address is, and if you have worst case scenario, try a VPS server. Okay, try my private internet, or my private internet access. Try these guys out. They work good, and it's only like $7 a month. If worse came to worse and you could not change it. I don't live here, you idiots. No, my address is not. No, my zip code is not even close to that. I don't live at 78214. That's not my zip code, bitch. Okay, but anyways, like I was saying here, I'm helping you out. How it works, join now, contact us at client support. Okay, you can also use them if you want, but you don't have to. But if you are directly connected to the modem and you want to change your IP address and they're not telling you to allow it, okay, then what else that you can do is you can also go to, if you have a gateway with Time Warner Cable and you're using their wireless, go to 192.168.1. I gotta block some of the stuff here, so I won't log in, but I'm gonna tell you how to do it. First of all, you're going to use, if you have a Motorola gateway or a gateway period, look for MAC address. And you can be able to, like this. It'll look like this, 0.0.0.0.0.0. That's usually their MAC address. But you can change it by 1. Then click apply, reset the gateway, and it should change the MAC address. If for some reason your internet stops working, revert to the old original MAC address that was given there. But it should change it just by 1. Don't change everything else or you'll F up the modem. I really want to show it to you, so I'm going to pause it and hide everything, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But not at this point. Not at this point. I don't think it needs to be done. Like I said, just do that. Look for MAC address cloning. I'm not familiar with the other countries, but do it anyways. You'll get a different IP. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching. This has been The Planet Earth. I hope this video has been very helpful for you.